Hello guys! For today's video is nandito tayo ngayon sa Sheraton Hotel Doha for our iftar dinner because it's Ramadan. So let's check the food, and as you can see, it's very nice yung ambience nila dito. And here are the desserts. So one of the famous desserts here is their Ali. It's the best in town. Oh my god, it's very nice. And then, ayan, ang dami nilang varieties of desserts na makakapili ka talaga. Nakakabusog. Sa tingin pa lang ay busog na busog ka na talaga. So, ayan, next is their Indian cuisine. Ayan, meron silang mga samosa and panipuri. Kung ano-ano pang Indian cuisine yan. Meron din silang live station of pasta. And ayan, meron silang fruit station, appetizers, and also their cheese station. Kung ano mang gusto mong kunin dyan, makukuha mo lahat. Mabusog ka lang. Ayan, and salad nila. Talagang nakakabusog tingnan, ano. So, ito na nga napili namin at kakain na kami. Bye! Thank you!